Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact process of using your Turnitin student account to check your essays for plagiarism. First, navigate to the official Turnitin website and log in using the credentials provided by your school or university administration. Once you are inside your student dashboard, look for the specific course name assigned by your instructor and click on it to open the list of active assignments. Find the correct essay folder and click the Submit button next to it to upload your document directly from your device. Give the system a couple of minutes to completely process your file, then refresh your page to see your official similarity score. Clicking on this percentage will open the interactive feedback studio, where you can see exactly which phrases match outside web sources or other student papers. Reviewing these highlighted matches carefully will help you fix your citations and ensure your academic writing is fully original before final grading. Subscribe the channel for more videos.